Well, now some quickies in conditional formatting. So we have covered highlight cells rules. We have also covered top bottom rules. Now is the time to see what data bars look like. Now, I know there's a lot of fancy term here, data bars, color scales and all, but that's nothing but really a visual presentation of your data. So if I want to create a data bar, I just select the range, I go to conditional formatting, I go to data bars, and I just click on the color that I want. Let's say I want a blue data bar. So it will create some data bars for me. So from the lowest till the highest in ascending orders. So it will have the data bars, right? As you can see, this doesn't solve a purpose but is just a graphical representation of the data. That's it. All right, so that's a cool way of presenting your data. If I want to give a data bar to all my ranges here, so I'll just simply select everything, go to data bar, and let's say I want orange data bars. So I click on it and I'll get the data bars. So that's easy. Now that's how you create data bars. Moving on to color scales. Now, color scales are nothing but let's say if I want a red color for let's say greater than 100 or a green color for greater than 100, yellow color for average 50 to 100, and for less than 50 I need let's say a red color, right? So that's how we create traffic lights. So I select the data, conditional formatting, rightly guessed, color scales. This time, let's create more rules. Alright, click on more rules. Currently, a two color scale will be selected from the new formatting rule dialog box. Click on the down arrow key and select three color scale. Now, let's say for the lowest value, for let's say number minimum 0, that's fine, we need this color. For number let's say 50, midpoint 50, I need yellow, and the highest value let's say 100, I need let's say red color. So click on OK and there you go, green, yellow and red. So that's how you create color scales. Now if I want to create color scales for entire data set, rightly guessed, conditional formatting, color scales, more rules, select three color scale, and let's say lowest value, this time the color's fine, okay, 50 percentile I have yellow color, and the highest value I want them appear in red, right? So I click on OK and there you go. You have different color scales for different numbers. Easy, isn't it? That's very easy. That's basically the visualization part. Alright, so we've done data bars, we have done color scales. Last but not the least is the icons. Very, very simple. Select the range, go to conditional formatting, icon sets. Now you will see certain arrows, shapes, indicators, ratings like Wi-Fi rating. Yeah, so you can insert all of these to show how much of the numbers they are. Let's say I go to my icon set and I click on these these shapes, circles. So this will give me the shapes or the colors based on my numbers. So that's how I create the traffic signals, traffic lights for my data. Alright, go on. Try conditional formatting. I hope now you have guessed that this is a very, very important tool as far as first bifurcation of data is considered and second visualization of data is considered. Alright, so you're gonna use conditional formatting a lot here. Try it on. I'll see you around in the next video, guys.